Hello everyone, once again I will back to the right path. I'll get up 5:30 morning and start walking 10 kilometer as regular basis. So come and join with me in this journey of fat loss. So now today is another day. I want to show you the today morning view. In this is the view of the street in my area. Let's start walking and be fit for the upcoming India as well. Okay, today I am talking about something what I don't know what I say, but I just wanted to say something. Yeah. So in last yesterday, I think in my colleagues, one or two colleagues got selected in a government exam. So they come towards me and congratulate me for their achievement. That means this is a one kind of insult that I felt because they are more aged than me. Okay, I think they are about 40 years. So yeah, they congratulated me and they told me that you are the younger person of our institute and you will definitely get a job of in the recent years. So this thing hurt very badly, and this is in my mind that I get quickly a government job. I think this is the blogging view. I don't know how to do vlog, so this is the my view. So okay, let me tell you one thing. Yesterday just walked 16 kilometers, 10 kilometers in 10 kilometers in a row, and after that day wise walking I think 6 kilometers. So this is nearly about 16 kilometers. Today I also do the same. Walking 10 kilometers and regular basis day walk each only about 5 to 6 kilometers. So overall 16 kilometers a day. So this is a good walking. If I continue this walking for a month, then it will run at least 10 to 15 kilometers of fat. 10 to 15 kilometers. 10 to 15 kilometer. No, 10 to 15 kg of fats. Okay. So yes, this is the way. This is soft. And okay. What I told, another thing is that life takes hard after my 20s. I have just a lot of enjoyment in my 20s, but I regret all about that. If I discipline and in some factors, then I can be a more successful as of now. So what can we do? We can start regret or we can restart our life from now. So I choose to restart our life. So in daily work basis, I have 8 hours of work, 8 to 9 hours of work in school. After that, I come to my home and study about 4 to 5 hours. Then other things take place. So let's see. In 2026. Okay, today date is 19 February 2026. Okay, so I record on the video. I do nearly about 6 to 7 days before started working, but from yesterday I start taking video of myself and posting on YouTube with a new channel. Okay, so yes, this is the view, which is golden view I think, and this point the light blogging point I think. And yes, I do very much better than yesterday, and I think in few days as I'll be do a better blog. I took a privilege that I don't show my face and doing the vlogging in English because I want to improve my English. As I am a state where we don't speak in Hindi as well as English, so I just try to. I speak very well Hindi, but I do the video in English because of my uh, law knowledge, law knowledge in English. So I take forward and start talking in English because no one judge me here. Okay, no one know me, and I don't reveal my face, and also what reveal because no one know me. No one know me, so this is not affected anybody or anyone. Okay, so yes, this is a very struggleful position because in that position holding the mobile like 10 minutes is also very difficult. So this is the struggle of a blogger I recently discovered. Okay, complete my journey. Thank you everyone. Bye.